Can you be said? Get on them generic, how you feeling?
Oh, oh, yeah, oh, oh. How you feeling?
How you feeling, yeah?
Oh,
How you feeling?
yeah, how you feeling? Your virgin, I bring the bling on guns round this place, my oh, oh. You where things run down till sundown. We a drink and get a down with our fans now. Like the earth, I come get high with me, let's burn out. The sun's out, guns out, sun cloud. Some youth are chatty, but they ain't never done out. I'ma make my son proud, but I have to teach the younger because officers, yeah, you brought some round. You've been walking with a devil, okay? In his pocket, a lady a stray caught with some pounds. Me out with son, and why you on now? That's 3 strikes and the car in the compound. Me say, if you a rude boy, then run, but clout you on clouds. I'll come back to you, but you get gone now. Me say get gone now, but then I say, oh, you feeling? How you feeling? Come back home. Oh, oh, come back home. Me, I love my wife, she got me one heart. Shit got more, shit got me one heart. I ask my queen, me I say, girl, how you feeling?
How you feeling?
Oh, oh, yeah, oh, oh. How you feeling?
How you feeling, yeah?
Oh,
How you feeling?
oh, you feeling?
How you feeling?
How you feeling? Oh, oh, yeah, oh, oh. How you feeling, feeling?
How you feeling, yeah?
Oh, take a little flight, light a little light, burn the sun return. Thank you, Lord, it took the right turn. Yes, the father, the rich life was so appealing. The girls on horses, the pearls and Porsches. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling. I want the crystal chandeliers on the ceiling. Father, I just wanna make you proud, but can I just check how you feeling? This is life, this is home now. Don't feel alone now, don't skip the reel on your phone now. I let me just check, Lord, how you feeling? Oh, oh, yeah, oh, oh. How you feeling, feeling, yeah? Are you alright? How you feeling?
How you feeling, yeah?
Oh, I proud of my son, my love, my father. Can't believe I won the big blue. Remember them times, so I'm the igloo. Could barely fit too. Me, I stay up late listening to the shit show. Some people never really know a poverty till it a hit you. Hard times come and go, but some set like quick glue. For some the end's not fair, cause some people are said the love big, they pretend to care. So may have to ask, how you feeling? How you feeling? Yeah, I hope you're alright, tell me, how you feeling? Oh, oh, yeah, oh, oh. How you feeling? How you feeling, yeah, oh,
How you feeling?
relax, yeah. How you feeling? Do you feel alright? I tell my son be careful with love, chose wisely when you pick it. Snake and alligators. And once you in deep, you can't eject later. You can't just rewind time and be a spectator.